Hello everyone, I'm Manish Kumar, proud to be student of Mechanical Engineering Department at MIT Meerut. It gives me great pleasure to share about me. This department is truly impressive and special, and how it changed me into a confident and future-ready engineer. At MIT Meerut, we believe that mechanical engineering is not just about machine and design; it's all about innovation, imagination, and impact. Here we just don't learn from the textbook. We build, we create, and we turn ideas into realities. Our department also provides theoretical knowledge and practical learning that ensuring that every student make sure and feel real world exposure. We equipped with some of the more advanced and modern labs in our department, like Flesto Lab with Industry 4.0 setup. This lab gave us opportunity to innovate and experiment the project that can match the standard of our department and today's modern industry world. I'm proud to be the part of Mechanical Engineering Department at MIT Meerut. Here we just not building machines, we building possibilities. Thank you.